So we're gonna draw a robot. Let's start with some straight lines here. We will draw minus, you know, let's like this. And half of this thing we're gonna draw here. Okay, we done it. After, the same as this one, we're drawing the minus again. After, we're making connection with this, just some straight lines, making here some details, making same thing as we have done. Sorry for my English, it's not as good as you can think about it. Making the same thing, it's fingers. We have done them. Sometimes I can be quiet. It's normally because talking every time it's hard. We have to do something like this. It's section of the hand. Okay, I've done it. And here is this like finger. I don't know how is it in English. I forget. I think I haven't known about them. So yeah, have done work with fingers. Okay. After, we're going here and making. It's not a straight line, you know. It's line. It can be. Doesn't matter how, you know. Just here we have this point, making point here. Okay, you can draw it, doesn't matter how. It's not a straight line, it's I don't know how I can say unfortunately, but I think you get it. Yeah, we have done it. So the second line here under to make it 3D. It's gonna be a little bit prettier if you will do it. Okay. Some details we will add here. Here we are making this paper a little bit older, you know. This paper have seen a lot of things, yes, a lot of problem in a life. We all know, like, it's not a. Okay, we have done it. So here we are just need to draw the circles. That's it. That's everything what we need. After, we will add some details. We will add them right now, like this, to show like its paper was make it this thing is like this. Okay, after we should to draw eyes. Okay, we have done it. Very good. Here we're making a neck. Making a shadow. Here we're making this lines because his neck must be long. Okay, let's make a body. It's not hard to. It's just irregular shape forms, you know, as a triangle. Other things is, after we will add some details. Here we're making this thing. Here we will draw a square. we might, if we will make more details, it's gonna be prettier, because, you know, just because I cannot explain it. I should improve my English. It's the most important thing right now. Okay, we will add details after some time. Right now, we should make this hand staying here without any position, anything. We're making illusion of a lot of technique, but its robot is alive, you know. It can be like very pretty. We can make a pretty robot, but you know, he wouldn't be tired of life right now. He's tired and won't have free time. We are adding some details. After that, we will improve everything. But how? I don't know. Actually, I will, but I cannot explain it. This is the reason why I don't know. I just can't explain it. I don't have enough words in my word package to explain it, so just you know, make some lines. That's it. That's everything what you have to do. Make lines to make illusion. That's everything what you need. As you can see, it wasn't hard, and I wasn't trying to make something very weird, very technique, but it looks like, because we're drawing without any problem, without any purpose. Here we're making a sketch. That's everything what we need. Yeah, we can make it prettier or other things, but right now I guess it's pretty as it's working. This bad lines, bad straight lines, bad other things is working good in this art, and you can make it too, you know. If it's working, we should use it, you know. And some details here and here. Here we should make it 2 details, like this one and on the 2. Do that. And here we should add some details right here. Right here, okay, actually we have done it. I think we done a good work, so thank you for watching.